This is probably one of the greatest fly patterns of all time, and you need to be using it. It's called the Rs2. Start by taking some UTC 140. I'm using blue dun here, and wrap that all the way down to the bend of your hook. Take your dubbing and create a tight noodle, wrap up towards your hook eye, but not all the way. Take your wing material and tie that in, making sure to take securing wraps in the front and back. I like to snip about roughly the hook gap. Whip finish to build up a head. Snip, and you're done. You've tied the Rs2. You can apply a little resin on top of the threads. This will make sure that the threads are secure. Not necessary, but definitely helps with the longevity of the fly.